Tad and I are working on our kits, which is the Hue It Yourself kit, or the Do It Yourself craft kit. We're both working on the wood signs. So you can see we've got this piece of wood. It has a string on the back. We both have the same project size, but we both have different projects to work on. So we're going to go ahead and start following the directions. You can see some of the stuff that they've given us. There's paint. So we've got lots of little colors here. They've given us many different of these, and we also have our very own directions. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We decided to go with a camping theme, and you can choose lots of different styles, different themes. Maybe you do the buffalo or something like that. But we chose camping, and we have the happy camper, and then we also have life is better around the campfire. So we're going to go ahead and get started and come on this journey with us. All right, so apply a wash to the wood to give the look of stain using a combination of paint and water. So that's going to be these guys. All right, so what do you think? Do you think we should do the water mixed with the paint down here? I'm just going to do it on the lid.
Yeah. Darker, more paint, lighter, more water.
Next, it says that the transfer paper has been applied to the stencils. Peel the backing from the stencils, leaving the colored paper on the transfer paper.
They did a couple of steps for us.
Now I've got my stencil on my transfer paper with all the tiny little pieces everywhere. So the next step is to put this on my board. And then carefully peeling back the transfer paperwork. Paper. So all those little tiny pieces that are inside all the letters and all the separate stickers from the main stencil, I'm going through and removing those now. I'm not waiting until the paint fully dries. It doesn't say to wait until the paint fully dries for this particular stencil. So make sure you're following the directions and have fun. And here is our guys, our do-it-yourself wall decor. And I don't know, guys, what do you think? It wasn't hard to do, and it didn't take too long. It didn't take too long.
She just looked at me when she said that. Helping our daughter.
But it definitely was fun, and we have a ton of paint, so I'm sure the kids are going to love all of the paint that's left over.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope that you can help support this charity and sign up. There's still a few days left in the month to get your own kit. Sign up on bnar.org. You can find all the details in the President's message. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. And I want to shout out to Studio Hue they're partnering with us on this. So thanks so much for partnering with us. And we do appreciate your partnership and supporting this great charity. And yeah, that's all I got.
But before you go, it's not a competition, but you can say who won. It's fine. Now you can go.
All right. Bye, guys.